the salesman. I'm worried about Joe the clerk. I'm worried about all those Joes and Janes on minimum wage who are just having difficulty putting one foot in front of the other to get to the next time. And what you're doing here, Gov, is important. John McCain voted 19 times against raising the minimum wage. 19 times. Jobs. We're going to provide jobs. We're beginning to rebuild America. The infrastructure of America is crumbling. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to invest $60 billion over the next 10 years to rebuild our roads, our bridges, our water system, our infrastructure. So we have an economy that has high-speed broadband all over America. That'll create 2 million new jobs, $50,000 a year average salary, and 43,000 of them, Governor, right here in your state.